Today I am making an oats chocolate cake without refined sugar and maida. This chocolate cake is made with wholesome ingredients. First I am mixing half cup oats flour, half cup wheat flour, 1/3 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon baking soda. This combination gives a beautiful texture to the cake. In another bowl, I add 2/3 cup jaggery powder and half cup water and mix until it dissolves. Then add 1/3 cup melted ghee in it. Add 1/4 cup curd. Mix well. Now add all the dry ingredients into this jaggery mixture. And add a little vanilla extract. I let the batter rest for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I am preparing the cake tin. Greased with ghee, I dusted the cake tin with cocoa powder along with wheat flour because once the chocolate cake is baked, the white flour on the edges doesn't look very appealing. I actually learned this from my past mistake when I made a ragi chocolate cake earlier and used wheat flour for dusting. The cake didn't look very tempting on the outside. Cocoa powder helps the cake look clean and evenly finished, especially around the edges. After resting, the batter absorbs the liquid, so I add some milk to bring it to the right consistency. The batter goes into the tin and then into the microwave on convection mode. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes on convection mode. As I always say, use metal pots only on convection mode. Don't use them on simple microwave settings. Oats chocolate cake is ready. After baking, I allowed the cake to cool completely and topped it with rich chocolate ganache and fresh strawberries. I have already shared chocolate ganache recipe on my channel, you can check there. Moist, rich and full of chocolate flavor. This oats chocolate cake is perfect when you want something homemade and satisfying. Try it and you will not regret.